Hi, I'm Rie. I'm a tasty producer, and welcome back to Make It Fancy. Today, I've been challenged to take a common food and make it fancy. Let's take a look at the rules. You must completely use the food given. You can only add to the food. You can buy whatever ingredients you wish. Once you begin cooking, you must complete upgraded dish in 30 minutes. Let's see what it is this time. It's a Twinkie. I actually never had a Twinkie before. I feel like I have a lot of things I've never tried before this show. The first time I saw Twinkie was when I watched this zombie movie called Zombieland. It's very oily. It has a nice golden brown. I see cream inside. It's not bad. It's actually good. And I don't like myself liking that. It's sweet. You have to put something to cut this sweetness. Cream is soft and cake is soft, so I want something crunchy in it.
I got some good ideas and I'm excited to make it. Make it fancy.
Right, here's what I got. Bittersweet chocolate, white chocolate, pistachio, sprinkles, dried cranberries, freeze-dried raspberries, and cacao nibs. And from the pantry, I got brandy and sea salt. One more thing. I got more Twinkies. Let's get started. Woo! Make it fancy. Let's set the timer for 30 minutes, and 30 minutes starts now. So first, I'm going to start roasting pistachio. I just wanted to give a nice toasty flavor, and what I'm doing, I'm going to chop some cranberries.
Where's your lady? She left at the spot.
The people who just start watching from this episode, I call my knife my ladies, and spa means sharpening knife because, it's a nice spa treatment for my lady knives. My ladies are in spa right now. Put it in a bowl. If you are roasting nuts on a stove top, just keep moving the pan so it doesn't get burned. Just checking timer, it is 28 minutes. All right, now I'm going to open Twinkies. My favorite treat while zombie apocalypse. I hope zombie apocalypse won't happen in the future, but if it does, I at least know how to make Twinkie fancy. Once you start smelling like nice toasty nut smell and it's nice and crunchy, it's ready. So you want to put it in a pan and just set aside. I chose cacao nibs because it's bitter and Twinkie is super sweet. So I want to balance it out. And also cacao nibs is very crunchy. So I think it kind of gives a nice crunch.
What does it feel like?
It's nice. So I'm adding brandy because I like dessert with a little bit booze in it. In Japanese, we say otono no aji, which translates to adult flavor. So I don't want to mush too much. It's still fluffy. It's a good point because I'm going to shape it. Let's check the timer. 21 minutes left. It tastes great. I think brandy helped, and I feel like it needs a little bit more cacao nibs and cranberries. I think nobody can tell this is Twinkie. Secret weapon, ice cream disher, so you can shape it evenly. Round shape. This is done. We have 1744. Now I'm going to use white chocolate and bittersweet chocolate and melt them in the microwave. Chocolate is nice and melty. I'm going to use this stick. So I'm dipping chocolate into this cake bowl. So when you are dipping chocolate, it doesn't fall off. It's kind of become a stopper. So I'm doing some with white chocolate and some with dark chocolate. I have this baby one. I'm gonna just use this for tasting. So I'm surprised Twinkies is holding this shape nicely. I'm happy so far. So let's check the timer, 12 minutes. All right, now I'm going to put them in a freezer until I prepare for my decoration. While it's freezing, I'm going to grind pistachios in the processor. I don't want to make it too powdery. I want to make a little bit like pebbles. I have a freeze-dried raspberry. I'm gonna just crush them until like a pebble, same as pistachio. It's fun. I have about 8 minutes. Twinkie cake balls are out from freezer. It's not completely frozen, it's nice and cold. And the first one is going in dark chocolate. I'm using spoon, so the bottom part also covered with chocolate. It's runny, so I just wanted to make sure completely covered. And this goes into sprinkle. Cute. I only have 4 minutes left. I'm gonna move on to white chocolate. White chocolate one, I'm coating as thin as possible so it doesn't overpower the flavor because white chocolate is a little bit sweeter. Cute. Like I said, anything around is so cute. So I have 30 seconds left. I'm going to make baby one for myself. I like sea salt. And I'm done. Welcome, Ryan, for Twinkie Wonderland.
Twinkie Wonderland, awesome.
Do they resemble Twinkies to you?
Does this resemble a Twinkie? Is your question. This does not resemble a Twinkie. Growing up, I didn't really have many Twinkies. I think my first encounter was like during some sort of school lunch trade or something like that. Some white child gave me their Twinkie.
And you gave some Asian
And I gave them some Asian food.
Cheers.
This is delicious. A little bit of hip action.
Yeah.
Make it fancy.
I'm gonna have this one because it kind of looks like hot Cheetos. Do I hear?
Oh my god.
So good.
Okay, good.
You made it fancy. It tastes so good.
Make it fancy.
In the first Make It Fancy, I choked on the first bite and they cut it out of the episode.
Do you want a water? I don't have water. I have a little bit water left if you want. Do you like Twinkie? Do you grown up eating Twinkie?
I like a Twinkie. My parents never got me like snacks, so I would always be like that kid staring at your snack at recess, you know? Where I'm from, the cool kids got the Twinkies.
Oh, do you want to put on the plate?
I like the pistachio with the Twinkie. Rie made this Twinkie fancy.
Make it fancy. Thank you for watching. If you make it, please tag me on the Instagram. If you want me to make something fancy, comment below. And don't forget to dance. Make it fancy.